Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A12s, and today I'll show you how you can enable or disable Google Feed. So as you can see in my case, the Google Feed is activated. Take a look on the screen. So if you want to get rid of that, or if you want to activate that screen, you have to simply click and hold your home screen and then swipe to the left. As you can see, here we can find the switcher. So all you have to do, simply tap on it to turn it off or just turn it on, and here you can also switch from the Google Discover to Samsung Free and vice versa. After that you can just simply click on the middle button, and that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.